Hey everyone, just a quick video, I promise I'll try. Toyota Camry, this is why everyone should own a Toyota Camry. If you're not traveling off-road, outback, distances, everyone should just have a Camry. What year? Draw a circle around 2010. Remember when I said the best things were ever built between 05 and 15? You might go a little bit outside that, but you know, the 09s, the 12s, I think this is a 12. Just think Australian-made Camry, last of the best. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with a newer one made in Japan, but a lot more expensive, more technology. You might have some problems later down the track. These things are simple. There's not much to it. It's just a simple vehicle, but have a look. Okay, they're cheap to buy. You can still buy one now secondhand. Find a good one. They're cheap to buy. They're cheap to service. They're cheap to maintain. They're reliable. They don't have any problems. You just throw tires on it every now and then. They don't even wear out brakes. Oil changes every 10,000. Do it every 5 if you want. Have a look at some trip stats on the fuel economy, right? 170,000 k's on this car. Obviously, they don't reset the trip meter. Wouldn't even know what the fuel economy really is. 513 k's must be the range. 8.2 litres per 100 k's, and that would be pretty accurate. And you can see it's also on this gauge over here as well, which got my attention to have a look and check this. Would be accurate. I know these vehicles, pretty accurate, within half a K. And that's a decent sized vehicle at an average speed of only 30 k's an hour, which is typical of what I see when I get in customers' cars. Average speed in the 30 range. My car's generally at least double that, which is a combination of mainly highway driving, 80k zones, or not moving. Like now, the engine's running, you're not moving yet, getting out the driveway, and that's why it might come down to an average of 60, but my cars are mainly highway or 80k zone. I don't do traffic. That's why I get better economy than most people, even though most of them are heavily loaded. Sometimes traveling at speed chews fuel, but not so much in a Camry. You're not going to get any worse than 10 litres per 100 k's, but you're going to often get something like about 8 or 9, something like this. So average speed's coming down because I'm sitting here. Right, there you go. Quick video as promised. Buy a Camry. See ya.